Hello, and you all are most welcome to today's session of RC. Actually, you might be wondering that what is RC. So, RC stands for Reading Comprehension. Okay. So, mainly, actually, in all the exams starting from class 6 to 12, CBSE, State Board, or what we can say in any competitive exam, mainly in English subject. Okay. You might have seen these questions regarding the unseen passages, okay, which is called reading comprehension. And mainly what happened that some of the students actually, they feel that these questions are time consuming, okay, it takes a lot of time. So that is why they used to keep these questions for the last. Okay, so let me introduce myself. This is Sandeep Kumar Singh, okay, and today I am going to give you some tips which will enable you to solve the questions of reading comprehension, okay, very easily, and it will become very beneficial for you for solving these types of questions. Okay, so as I have told you earlier that this is a tendency of the students that they used to keep these questions of reading comprehensions for the last part after solving all the questions. At the last portion when they used to get the time, then only they used to do these types of questions. Okay, but today I am going to tell you, okay, that don't keep mainly this reading comprehension questions for the last, mainly for the CBSE students starting from the class 6 to 12. Okay, mainly what happens that during exam time, okay, you used to get what reading times, okay, mainly in CBSE class 10th and 12th. You get reading time 15 minutes. So try to utilize that reading time of 15 minutes mainly for reading this unseen passage. Okay? Really speaking, it will give you a very good benefit. Okay? So actually my first tips, as you might have seen that in the questions, in the questions of reading comprehensions, okay, it is found written that read the passage carefully and answer the given question. Okay, now it's my suggestion that don't stick to those instructions, okay, very strictly. You are asked to read the passage very carefully, but it's my suggestion, okay, don't read the passage. Okay, you need not to read the passage very carefully. So you don't start reading passage first. Okay, first of all you go to the questions. Okay, first of all you go to the questions. So now let me tell in a coherent manner. Okay, mainly for the class 10th and 12th students. Suppose when you get a paper, okay, जिससे आपको पेपर मिलता है एग्जाम टाइम में, आपके पास क्या होती है रीडिंग टाइम होता है 15 मिनट्स का. उस रीडिंग टाइम के दौरान, ठीक है, सबसे पहले फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू नीड टू रीड दोस क्वेश्चंस, ओके, व्हिच इज गिवन इन द अनसीन पेसेज. पहले आप क्वेश्चंस को पढ़िए, ओके, एंड व्हाइल रीडिंग द क्वेश्चंस जस्ट कीप योर पेंसिल इन योर हैंड एंड व्हेन यू गेट द कीवर्ड्स जस्ट मार्क इट. जो भी आपको कीवर्ड्स मिलता है कि हाँ ये कीवर्ड है इस क्वेश्चंस का, उसको मार्क करिए. ठीक है, सारे क्वेश्चंस आप पढ़िए, ओके, और सारे क्वेश्चंस पढ़ने के बाद आप उसमें जो कीवर्ड्स होते हैं उनको आप क्या करना है, मार्क करना है. ओके, मार्क कर दिए. मार्क करने के बाद, ओके, आफ्टर दैट नाउ यू हैव टू प्रोसीड टुवर्ड्स द पैसेज. बट कीप इन माइंड यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू रीड द पैसेज to get the full details about the passage, that about what passage is given, okay, what is there in the passage. वो आपका पर्पस नहीं है. आपका पर्पस क्या है? Always try to keep in your mind what is the purpose of reading that particular passage. Okay, you are going to read that passage only to find out the keywords. जो आपने अंडरलाइन किया हुआ है क्वेश्चंस में कि ये हमारे कीवर्ड्स हैं, उन कीवर्ड्स को आपको फाइंड आउट करना है. ठीक है, और इसलिए आप उस पैसेज को पढ़ने जा रहे हैं. राइट, सो आप पढ़िए उस पैसेज को. पढ़ने के बाद वहां पर आपको क्या करना है, अंडरलाइन करना है. ठीक है, यू जस्ट अंडरलाइन दोस keywords, okay, which you find there, and there also you write the question numbers. Say for example क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 में कोई एक कीवर्ड मिला, ठीक है, आपने पैसेज रीड किया. रीड मीन्स यू सी. रीडिंग ऑल्सो यू डोंट हैव टू रीड दैट पैसेज इन डिटेल. ओके, मेनली व्हाट टाइप ऑफ क्वेश्चंस यूज्ड टू कम in reading comprehension? Okay, first of all you will find what? WH family questions. Questions beginning with what, which, where, when. Okay, then you will find what? Fill in the blanks questions, true or false questions. Okay, vocab based questions. Okay, then inference based questions. Now mainly for the questions of WH family group, what, where, when, fill in the blanks, true or false. Okay, vocab, antonyms, synonyms. So these sort of question, okay, as you have already underlined the what main points. Okay, so जैसे ही आप उस पैसेज को पढ़ोगे, पैसेज को जब पढ़ोगे आपको जहां वो की पॉइंट मिल गया, सपोज क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 का ये की पॉइंट है, आपको उसमें मिल गया, तो जस्ट यू अंडरलाइन देयर, वहां अंडरलाइन करिए उस पैसेज पे और वहां पर नंबर लीजिए नंबर 1. अगेन नंबर 2 का कीवर्ड मिल गया आपको उसमें, वहां फिर आप नंबर 2 लिखिए, उसको भी अंडरलाइन करिए. ठीक है, अंडरलाइन कर देना है आपको. नाउ इसके बाद जो होते हैं यहाँ पे इन्फरेंस बेस्ड क्वेश्चन. ओके, इन्फरेंस बेस्ड क्वेश्चन मीन्स क्या होता है? इन्फरेंस बेस्ड क्वेश्चन मीन्स एक्चुअली व्हाट इज द व्यू ऑफ द राइटर. ओके, व्हाट इज द व्यू ऑफ द पोएट, व्हाट इज द व्यू ऑफ द ऑथर. ओके, so for getting the answer of these types of question, mainly inference based questions regarding the views, okay, you will have to read in detail. Okay, and that is called your what we can say intensive reading also we can say, or scanning also we can say. Okay, so in question में भी क्या रहेगा, इस क्वेश्चन में भी आपको मिलेगा क्या बोलते हैं कीवर्ड्स. ठीक है, जैसे ही आप कीवर्ड्स मिले उस कीवर्ड्स को अंडरलाइन करिए, लेकिन कीवर्ड्स को अंडरलाइन करने के बाद उस पर्टिकुलर पैराग्राफ को, नॉट द होल पैसेज, उस पर्टिकुलर पैराग्राफ को आपको थोड़ा सा डिटेल्स में पढ़ना है. ठीक है, ताकि आपको वहां पर राइटर्स का व्यू पॉइंट क्या है, पोएट का क्या व्यू पॉइंट है, वो आपको मिल सके. ओके, और बाकी जो क्वेश्चन होते हैं आपका WH फैमिली ग्रुप, देन योर ट्रू और फॉल्स, सिनोनिम्स, एंटोनिम्स, फॉर दैट only your need is skimming. Skimming means what? You have to just read very fastly. You have to read very fast. Why do you know? Just to find out that keywords. Okay, just to find out that keywords. Wherever you will get the keywords, you just underline it. Okay, and write the numbers. And thereafter, slowly you will start writing its answer from there. Okay. Now you see. Now. Main thing is that you have already noted everything. Okay, now while writing the answers, mainly I have seen students of class 8, 9th. Okay, what they used to do, they used to just copy the sentence from the passage same to same. Okay, so don't do this. Try to write your own sentence. Okay, create your own sentence. उतना अगर नहीं भी कर पा रहे हो तो कोई एक सेंटेंस वहां दिया हुआ है, वहां का 2-3 वर्ड्स कुछ स्ट्रक्चर चेंज करो और चेंज करके उसको आप फिर से लिखो. ठीक है, ताकि लगेगा कि ये आपका ऑन लैंग्वेज है. ओके, सो उस टाइप से आपको उसमें क्या आंसर्स लिखना है. ओके, देन वन मोर क्वेश्चन यू विल गेट, दैट इज कॉल्ड टाइटल बेस्ड क्वेश्चन. ओके, या थीम बेस्ड क्वेश्चन, central idea, all these are themes, all these are what you can say same. Okay, only the names are different. Title base, central theme, okay, main theme. So for these types of questions, actually answers you will get where do you know, you just read the last 2-3 lines of the passage. Okay, you don't need to read the whole paragraph, you just read the last 2-3 lines, and in those 2-3 lines you will get the answer of mainly the questions which are based on title, central theme, okay, or what we can say main theme. Okay, so these are the, and mainly what mainly what type of problems students used to face. Okay, it happens that there is you will find that there is a lack of vocab. Okay, sometimes what it is asked not to write the synonyms, antonyms. Okay, so for solving that sort of question, one thing I am telling to my dear, that you just keep on reading. Okay, you read the NCERT books, okay, thoroughly, because you don't know the subject content, the subject matter, okay. All the tips which I have given you, that is okay, but at least you should have, if you have some, what you can say, pre-ideas, okay, about the content, then it will be very easy for you to solve those questions. So that is why it's my advice, that it's my suggestion that you keep on reading the NCERT textbooks, okay, and other English books, and try to enrich your vocab, okay. Then sometimes it happens that lack of concentration is found in the students, okay. So main thing you have to do, that while going through the passage, try to question yourself that why you are reading that particular passage, not for getting the whole idea what is given in the passage, okay. Stick to the point only, that you are going to read that particular, okay, passage only to find out the what keywords, keyword ढूंढना है. So these are the tips. First tip is what? First tips is your, that try to utilize the reading time. Okay, always try to solve this reading based question at the initial level, at the starting level, and try to use that reading time. Okay, और सारे आप रीडिंग टाइम में ही पढ़ दो, पढ़ के सारा अंडरलाइन कर लो, करने के बाद में आप वहां भी पैसेज पढ़ो, वहां फाइंड आउट करो, सारा ओके रेडी रखो, जैसे ही बेल होती है आफ्टर दैट यू स्टार्ट राइटिंग द आंसर्स. आई थिंक इट विल हेल्प यू. एंड सेकेंडली, ओके, डोंट रीड द पैसेज फर्स्ट. फर्स्ट यू हैव टू रीड द क्वेश्चंस. ओके, पहले क्वेश्चंस पढ़िए और इसके बाद कीवर्ड्स ढूंढिए. कीवर्ड ढूंढने के बाद में उन कीवर्ड्स को उसमें आप स्किमिंग करिए, एंड after finding out, then try to write the answers. Okay, and last one is what? Mainly the questions based on the title, central theme, main theme. Okay, for that you just have to read the last 2-3 lines. Okay, so this is all about this RC, reading comprehension pages. I think it will help you in solving the questions, okay, which used to come in the exam, mainly from the what? These unseen passages. Okay, so if you like my videos, please do subscribe to my channel. Okay, thank you.